Welcome to RedEarth. I'm Damien, I'm one of the electrical engineers. Today we're in our Brisbane office headquarters. We'll be going through the BushChook installation process and we'll be referencing the quick start guide. The first step of installing the BushChook is to find a nice position for it, in the shade and with plenty of clearance for ventilation. The BushChook's divided into two halves. The batteries are here and the inverter and switchgear are on this side. The BushChook can hold up to 8 batteries and the inverter can be changed out for a number of different options. Installed here today we have the 8 kilowatt. We also have a 5 and 6 kilowatt in single phase and the 12 kilowatt 3-phase. All the switchgear is accessible from this side. All of our breakers are pre-wired and ready to go. We've got the load out and AC source in. So whether it's for on-grid or off-grid, the system is ready to go. In on-grid, you might have your grid in here and then you have your full house backup off this side as well. In off-grid, we can put a generator inside and that'll be rated to the size of your system. We also have a bypass here and then all the breakers required for our DC coupled solar, all on this side, as well as our 4G modem for connection. And that means you can get monitoring on your phone from anywhere in the world. The system comes with 2 fans for active ventilation and a thermostat to control it. Some other features the system has is the smart port, which is really great with the days. With the smart port, you can have a backup generator for on-grid. So you might have your grid coming in, full house backup, but then you can also throw on a backup generator if you have prolonged grid outages, which is something really handy for our customers. You can also throw AC coupled solar as an OR into the system as well, and that'll come straight up on your monitoring so you can see what a existing PV inverter is doing. You can also have smart loads, and with smart loads you can control heat pumps and other non-essential power to switch off if you are running low on power. So whether that's an off-grid system, which is always trying to manage how much power it has and uses, or an on-grid system where you see a grid outage, you don't want a pool pump or something non-essential to drain your battery. With a smart load, that can be shut off. The system has Modbus A and B ports on this side that allows you to throw on an energy meter. Most customers choose to use their system in pass-through where the grid comes into the system and then back out. We have a bypass already in here to change over if required. But in a pass-through situation, you're generally ready to go. If you wanted to T-connect a system or you have AC coupled solar you'd like to charge from when it's exporting out, you can use the CTs that come with the system and connect that on the installation, or an external meter if the distribution is further away and run your Modbus A and B back into here. Another thing that this has as well is 2-wire auto start. So whether you're on-grid with a backup generator or an off-grid system, you can have a 2-wire auto start from your genset coming, and that means that whenever the battery gets low, it'll automatically start your generator, run it nice and smoothly for best efficiency and minimal usage, and then it will switch it off as well once it's done. All of our systems come with a RUT, which is a modem. That modem can be powered from the house's wired connection, so you can bring a LAN up and into the RUT there, or if the BushChook is close enough to the residence, it can pick up their Wi-Fi. Now, if you're somewhere where there is no internet access, or there's no internet access at the home, but there's 4G reception, these systems also have a 4G antenna, and there's a bunch of plans we can go on for that. Having the system connected to the internet gives you the advantage of, let's have a look here, logging into your system and seeing the current usage, how much battery power you have left, all sorts of features like that. As an installer, it also gives you the option to see how much the customer is using and make sort of suggestions about, are they running out of battery frequently? Are they using their generator a lot? Would they benefit from adding an additional battery? All of our systems have the ability to add on batteries after the fact. So that's one of the reasons you have that. With our custom support as well, if there's any sort of changes where a customer was off-grid initially, but they have a grid connection coming in later and the system needs to change from one to another, that can be done with on-site programming, or through the internet access, we can log in remotely and adjust any settings to suit. When we add a battery, that's another thing you might log into and increase the capacity of the battery bank as per the inverter so it knows how much storage it has. With the variety of inverter options that we can supply, they all come with 1.5 times PV available, so DC coupled solar. So if you have an 8 kilowatt like this one here, you can put up to 12 kilowatts of solar panels on your roof or shed or whatever's convenient, and that can all be fed directly into the inverter itself. That means there's no need to get an additional AC coupled solar inverter when you have something like a BushChook.